Time now for an all-new edition of Miami Proud, and we enjoy sharing stories of unsung heroes, and that's exactly how the staff at Broward Health Imperial Point describes one of their longest-running employees, Steve Fredrickson.
Yeah, Steve inspires everyone around him and has done so for 50 years since the hospital opened. CBS 4's Keith Jones has the story.
Doctors, nurses, and technicians seemingly run things in hospitals, like here at Imperial Point in Fort Lauderdale. But the heart of the organization might just be Steve Fredrickson, or as he's known around here,
Mr. Imperial Point, Mr. Steve. Yeah, I don't mind him, though.
He knows everyone, interacts on every floor as the person responsible for facility services.
Instruction, the upkeep, the preventative maintenance of all of the equipment, the facility. We'll look into it. Everything else been okay?
He rose up the ranks from a humble beginning here in 1973.
Well, my first job here when I was very young was mopping floors and stocking the shelves and stuff like that for the Environmental Services Department.
From housekeeping supervisor to manager to his current role, he's played a huge part in major milestones for this hospital.
From renovating this elevator lobby to building a new emergency room. Of course, with building a new emergency room, I had a lot of help with that one. When my phone rings in the office, it's not somebody telling me that there's a bundle of roses out of the front lobby for me. It's usually, you know, we're in the bad news business.
But it's how he treats others that sets him apart.
Probably one of the most influential and inspiring people I've met through my entire career. This hospital could not function without Steve.
You always do such a good job.
It's full circle from how the head of a hospital impacted him when he was a housekeeper.
This gentleman right here always went out of his way. I knew he was a big-wig doctor, you know, but for him to take out of his time to pat me on the back and tell me, it meant a lot to me. And I always made that a point to carry on what he did, to do that with others too as well.
He handles it all with great care, from routine room inspections to launching a massive race event to protecting staff during COVID.
If you saw the poor nurses that had to go in and out of these rooms, our job in maintenance was to make sure that we provided a negative pressure room so that there wasn't, you know, they weren't going into a, you know, and then bringing it back out again. So it was quite a challenge.
He's been up for each challenge and shared his simple formula for success.
You can do just about anything if you have a good attitude and you really work hard and, you know, you really care about what you're doing and you show that.
Keith Jones, CBS 4 News.
Steve Fredrickson is eligible to retire, but says he is not ready to do so. He feels there is a lot of work to do, and as the hospital marks its 50th, he has some items in a time capsule that he says should be fun when they open that this fall. And by the way, today is Steve's birthday, so we wish him the very, very best. Steve, happy birthday.
That's awesome, and I love the time capsule idea. All right, well, just ahead on CBS 4 News at noon, a major retailer closing stores and laying off their employees. Those details are just ahead.
CBS 4's Miami Proud is sponsored by FPL. Storm season is here. Learn more at fpl.com/storm.